How to write a resignation email/letter to manager. Resignation email, letter to manager. Date: May 9, 2019, 2:08 TTN. Address: postal code, country. Subject: resignation from the role of manager, to whom it may concern. Dear Mr., Mrs., Dear, name, please accept my resignation from the role of manager at company name. My notice period is, length of notice period in days, so my last day of employment will be, date. I would like to take this chance to thank you for the opportunities I've had here at company name. It's been a pleasure working with you and the rest of the team. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask and to contact me directly. I will be available on phone, T+000, and email@email.com, if there's anything I can do to help make the transition easier. Looking forward to your reply. Yours sincerely, name. Signature, formal name plus title. Check out and download the template. www.allbusinesstemplates.com